Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for web design and development. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use the Grid Design extension for Contact Form 7 in 2023. This plugin, called Smart Grid Layout Design for Contact Form 7, allows you to create responsive grid forms easily and customize them to suit your needs. So, let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the WordPress dashboard and install the Contact Form 7 and Smart Grid Layout Design plugin. On the Contact Settings page, you'll find a user-friendly interface that allows you to customize your grid form layout effortlessly. Let me show you how it works. Start with blank layout. I'll create first row with 3 columns. First, I'll select the necessary fields onto the canvas. You can experiment with various grid layouts to suit your design preferences effortlessly. It's incredibly user-friendly. Once you have finished designing your form, click the Save button to save the changes. Now, you can preview the form on Live page. This grid extension ensures that your forms are mobile responsive. It seamlessly adapts to different devices, be it a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. In the Mail section, you can use form tags within the message body field or any other mail field to include form field values. Form tags are enclosed in square brackets. You can also customize the email subject by using form tags in the subject field. Remember to save the changes to your form once you have added the form tags. When someone submits the form, the email sent to the specified recipient will include the values entered by the user in the corresponding form fields. So, if you're ready to transform your contact form 7 into something extraordinary, with responsive grid layout, don't miss out on this amazing plugin. It's easy to use, highly customizable, and ensures a flawless user experience across all devices. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more content like this. Don't forget to share and leave your comments. Thank you.